Today we are going to start exercise 4.2 of quadratic equation. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Here we need to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Question number 1. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. Here we'll be using splitting middle term method. We have to split the middle term into two parts in terms of sum or difference of the terms. Okay. First multiply coefficient of x square with last term. Here coefficient of x square is 1, last term is minus 10. 1 into minus 10 is equals to minus 10. Minus 10 can be written as product. So product is equals to minus 10. We'll find out the factors of 10. 1 tens are 10, 2 5s are 10, 1 comma 10, 2 comma 5. We need two factors so that by adding and subtracting we should get minus 3. हमें ऐसे दो factors चाहिए जिससे add या subtract करने से minus 3 आए. तो हमें देखेंगे कि 1 और 10 को add या subtract करने से minus 3 आएगा या नहीं आता. So 2 और 5 को add या subtract करने से minus 3 आएगा या नहीं. So minus 3 is equals to 2 minus 5. By subtracting we are getting 2 minus 5. So substituting these values in middle term, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. X square plus minus 3x can be written as plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 is equals to 0. Take x common, x into x plus 2, x into x, x square, x into 2 plus 2x. Take minus 5 common, minus 5 into x plus 2, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus 5 into 2, minus 10 is equals to 0. X minus 5 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 5 is equals to 0. X plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to 5. X is equals to minus 2. Here roots are 5 comma minus 2. Question number 2. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Multiply coefficient of x square with last term. Coefficient of x square is 2, last term is minus 6. 2 into minus 6 is equals to minus 12. Minus 12 can be written as product. So product is equals to minus 12. We'll find out factors of 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 4 3s are 12. So these are the factors. We need two factors so that by adding and subtracting we should get 1. Here coefficient of x is 1. So we should get 1. हमें ऐसे दो factors चाहिए जिससे add या subtract करने से हमें 1 आए. So हम देखते हैं कि हम 1 और 12 को add या subtract करने से प्लस आएगा या नहीं आता. 2 और 6 को add या subtract करने से प्लस 1 नहीं आता. 4 और 3 को ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से आएगा या नहीं. विल चेक. ओके. 4 माइनस 3 को ऐड करने से 1 आएगा. बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 4 माइनस 3 वी आर गेटिंग 1. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दीज वैल्यूज इन मिडिल टर्म, सो विल गेट 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x कैन बी रिटन एज 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 0. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 0. Take 2x common, 2x into x plus 2. 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into 2 plus 4x. Take minus 3 common, minus 3 into x plus 2. Minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 2 minus 6 is equals to 0. 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. X plus 2 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 by 2. X plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. Roots are 3 by 2 comma minus 2. Question number 3. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Multiply coefficient of x square with last term. Here coefficient of x square is root 2, last term is 5 root 2. Root 2 into 5 root 2 is equals to, we can write 5 root 2 into root 2. Here root 2 into root 2 is equals to root 2 whole square. If square and root will get cancelled, 5 we'll get 5. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. 10 can be written as product. So product is equals to 10. We'll find out the factors of 10. 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10. We need two factors so that by adding and subtracting we should get 7. हमें ऐसे दो फैक्टर्स चाहिए जिसे सब्ट्रैक्ट और ऐड करने से हमें 7 आए. सो हम 1 और 10 को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखेंगे कि हमें 7 आएगा या नहीं आता. तो 2 और 5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखेंगे कि हमें 7 आएगा या नहीं. सो by adding we are getting 7. 7 is equals to 2 plus 5. Substituting these values in the middle term. Okay. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Root 2 x square plus 7x can be written as 2 plus 5x, 2x plus 5x plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Take root 2x common. Root 2x into x plus 2. Root 2x into x, root 2x square. So root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. Square root will get cancelled. So we can write root 2 into root 2. We'll get 2 no. So we can write root 2 into root 2x. Okay. Plus take plus 5. Take 5 common. Plus 5 into x plus root 2. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into root 2, 5 root 2 is equals to 0. Root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, comma x plus root 2 is equals to 0. Root 2x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 by root 2. X is equals to minus root 2. Here roots are minus 5 by root 2, comma minus root 2.